اوكي، احنا النهارده بنشرح هنراجع في الاول we are warming up uh, for the last session which was about uh, using logical operators with examples, the comparison between comparing between switch statements and give some examples, والساينتكس بتاع ال conditional statements if switch if. If it has a statement we test this statement, the condition which we test it. If it's true, we execute statements. If it's false, we execute another statements. And so we have if else. If the condition is true, we go in yes direction. If it's no, we go in no direction. So if the condition true, we execute the statements after if. If it's not true, we execute the statements after else. We have nested else in this diagram. Nested if means many ifs nested inside each other. And here we have if the condition is not true, we go to the else and then we examine another condition where this keyword is elif, which is mean else if, and at the end we terminate this statement by else, and this called switch. Why? This is the type of looping which we start today, and the while is consists of if statement, which is a control. So if it's true, I go to execute a statement or statements and then go back as a feedback and check the condition again. So I repeat it. This is iteration. So I have a this is all is a structure of the loop, and this is a repetition condition. And I have here in the repetition condition I have a counter. Well, the counter is counted up or down by step. This step may be 1, 2, 3, negative or positive. Is positive up. If it's negative, it's down, decreasing until the condition is false. I go out of the loop and the repetition is ended and finished. Okay. And I have example in this number. While number is less than 200, print number, and the counter percentage number is increased by timing it by 2. So how many times it print number 1, 2, 4, 8, 6 until 128. Okay. We are reviewing now between the relational and the logic operators. I have 6 relational operators, which is equal, and here as a comparison operator, equal, it's 2 equals, and the not equal, less than, more than, less than or equal, more than, equal, and logical operators which or and not. This is the or. This is the or. This is the and this is the not. Okay. Uh, by the way, or is expressed like this. Or written like this. And is written like this. Not, this is not. Okay. And or 2 columns, which is this. This is or. Okay. Go back. We will do some practice through anaconda spider or through this is a spider window. This is and we will work with it now. And our IDE gigs for gigs. I write the code here and I run it here and the output will appear here. So what's the function of the loop statements? To repetition, to make repetitions for statements. Instead of write the statement many times, I write only one time or and do and make a loop for repeat this statement or statements. What's the general syntax of loop? We'll see it now. So the first the program we write the code to repeat text Egypt 5 times. How we write it? It's simple. We write it using anaconda spider file, new file, and then write I will start with a counter, which is x equals 0, initialized by 0. Then the keyword for the loop, I will use it while x less than, I will repeat it time or y time. How many? 5 time, okay? So it starts with 0. So I write less than 5 or write 1 here and less than or equal 5. So I will write 0 and less than by 5, okay? Then enter. In Python, no curly brackets like C. I have a parenthesis after the print and then double quotation. But here we have a space. We go here inside a space. So this print is related to the while. Print Egypt. So when I finish, if I run this, it will be printed infinite times. Stop. So how I can stop it? I write update statement. Let x equals x plus 1. Then run. When running it, it asks me to save. Save as Egypt stem loops. Okay, save. Now it's writing. Running, writing, or printing Egypt 5 times. Thanks for listening for me. Hmm. Oh, we don't start. We don't start yet.